right, hello, welcome to the Northland. So, today we're going to continue our tour of Venice, kind of show the cool apartment we stayed in with the awesome views. And as a side note, we have the jury on its way. It should be here any day. It's already been built and shipped, so we're waiting to get that, so stay tuned for that. That'll be coming up here in the future at some point. I guess it all depends on when I get it. Technically, I guess it's not supposed to be here, according to the dealership anyway, until just before Christmas, so like the 20th or something. But I'm not sure they knew that it was actually in transit already, so we'll see. Hopefully we'll get it early. All right, so sit back, enjoy the video, and I'll see you on the back end. All right, here we are, day, what is this? Second full day we're here in Venice. You can see it's just gorgeous day. We've got St. Mark's back there, the Basilica. I don't know what to say. This is probably the nicest day since we've been here. Yesterday was windy and cloudy and cold and yucky. Today, sun's shining, slight breeze, gorgeous day. Now, I am going to flip you around so we can see what's out there. Well, here we go. We got the Grand Canal in the way on out there. We're gonna go walk along that today. Check out some shops, maybe. There's a lot. I tell you what, the food here is amazing. Oh my goodness. Anyway, busy. The water down there is, I think it has to do with the tide. Last night, or yesterday morning, it was actually worse than that. Then last night there was no water there. Now this morning there's more water again, so yeah, pretty cool. And we've got these cool little, there are so many different contraptions here that you just don't see in the US, or at least I haven't anyway. But we got these little, I don't know if I can be able to, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Oh, wrong way again. I gotta figure this out. So these little spiky things along the roof, those are to keep pigeons away, so the pigeons don't land on there and I suppose poop all over everything. But like I said before, it's you know, this is just definitely, you know, seeing it in movies and stuff is one thing. Seeing it live, that's a whole nother ball game. The architecture here is just gorgeous. It's amazing. Anyway, and I think we got these wires here. I think that's same thing to keep the pigeons away. And then on the most places have these shutters over the windows. You know, you can obviously open them, close them, whatever. And they're made of metal, or at least these ones are. You know, at first it struck me as odd because you wouldn't think like Venice is a place where you would get lots of storms, but maybe it's to keep the sunlight out, help keep the sunlight out. I don't know, but I think it's pretty cool. You know, in the U.S., or at least from what I'm used to, you can find houses with shutters on them, but most of them are fake. You know, they're just there for aesthetics. But these are 100% functional, every window. So, oh, here we go. We got more of them spiky things up on the roof. Yeah, pretty cool. All right, let's cut this one short now. Alright, let's take you a little tour through our apartment that we are renting here in Venice, Italy. In other words, Venice. So here we have, I don't know if you want to call it I guess they call it a bedroom, but I don't know if it's more of like a day bed kind of a thing or something, but anyway, so that we have there. And small bathroom. Again, something unique to, well, I don't know if it's unique to Italy, but we don't see these a whole lot in the States, or at least I haven't. These towel racks, I don't know if it's a warmer or a dryer, but obviously it's kind of like a radiator. Kind of a neat little thing. Nice little shower. We got I get a kick out of these big flush, little flush toilets, and the unique European outlets. Just a neat little bathroom. And over here, if we come this way, we'll take a right and go through the kitchen. There's a little small closet here. A couple steps up into the kitchen. We have a gas stove over there. Small sink. Espresso machine, coffee maker, toaster. See what I mean about the awesome views that are just unique to, I think, this part of the world. Let me open the shutter a little bit. And this is the view out of our kitchen window. Kind of neat. Again, it's just something I'm not used to seeing anyway. We'll close this up here. And we'll go this way. And we have a refrigerator. Freezer down below. Fully stocked cabinets, oven. All the dishes, silverware, and so on. We haven't really cooked here, but there's another window. Basically the same view as the other one. We'll go this way. We have another small bedroom. Closets there, small desk. Again, kind of a day bed thing. A window, it's kind of hard for me to get at, so I'm not going to open that one. We'll come out here, we'll go left. We have off to our left a laundry room with a washer and dryer, or is it just a dryer? Anyway, I think there's a washer here. We have another window there, but it's kind of blocked off and shuttered, so we're going to leave that alone. We'll go left again down the hallway. We'll make another left into this room, and this is trying to find the right light here. No, maybe those lamps turn on individually. Anyway, so we have a bedroom here. I think that's a queen size bed. Another nice small little window with a view. I mean, this is again, this just, I don't know, it kills me. And then almost any other situation, I would look at this and go, oh, great, a building right outside my window. But this, to me, it's just, I don't know, I love it. And we got to step up. Another window here on our left. And this is another bathroom. Bidet, toilet, another towel warmer there, small window here. Figure out how to open it. There we go. View. Kind of neat. This is the shower we've been using. Kind of nice. It's got jets and stuff in it. Let's see. Where do we go? Let's head back out. Go out here to the left. And here we have another bathroom. Again, sink, another towel, warmer, dryer. We have a jetted tub with shower. And then again, another bidet and toilet. Another view out the window. And that about covers that. Now we'll head back out this way and go to... Oops, let's shut this light off, shall we? And we'll head back out here. To the living room. We have a pretty good sized living room, a couple couches, coffee table, dresser kind of a thing, dining table. We have another step down into kind of a sunken type living room with another couch, television, and then I've already showed you the balcony, but what the heck, let's go out here again, shall we? So we open up the window, step outside. We have a little seating area here on the left, kind of a little sunken area again, and then a much longer balcony portion here with another seating area on the right. And this is the view outside of our balcony, outside of our living room. In fact, our bedroom, which I'm not going to show right now because my wife is still sleeping, but our bedroom is right on the other side of these windows. So we wake up in the morning and basically this is the view we get. Very nice place. My wife found this place. I'm not sure how she found it. I don't know if it was an Airbnb thing or something, but she, all the credit goes to her for finding this place with these amazing views. So, all right. So that covers the tour pretty much. The elevator, oh, you got to see the elevator. I'll show the elevator later. The elevator is barely big enough for two people. It's almost like a phone booth. That it was turned into an elevator, but it's kind of neat. It's pretty old, and it's a little scary. So, but all right. Hope you enjoyed it. All right, I am going to take you through what's the word I'm looking for? A tour, a brief tour, revised tour of Venice, Italy. If you hear those bells in the background, that's going on all the time. And so I hope you like bells. For some cities it might be trains, for some it might be boats, for some it might be car horns. In Venice, it's bells. You hear them constantly, and I suppose they all mean different things at different times of the day, but just stick with me. Let's go for a tour. Something else that's it's probably European, not necessarily just Italy, but you know, in America, you untwist the caps, caps come off. Well, here, they don't come off. They flip open. I wish we had that. And then you just close it, even tells you right there on the top. It's a flip. All the sodas come this way. And on top of that, there seems to be only Coke products here. We have not found Pepsi or any PepsiCo products here like Mountain Dew and stuff like that. Only Coke. The water, a lot of the water comes in glass bottles, and when you go to a restaurant, you have to ask for the water. They don't just give it to you and put it on the table, and it will come in a glass bottle usually, and then you get charged for it. So, as promised, here's our telephone booth / elevator. We open a door. It's like a freight elevator. Inside, doors open. We gotta step up. And we gotta squeeze in here. And we have to close the door behind us. And we have to close the inside doors. Peekaboo. Alright, and then we go down to the Treviso. So you know, inspection stickers anywhere. Probably hasn't been inspected since the day it was put up. But here we go, we're going down. Down. Hopefully the cable doesn't break on the way down. We go crashing to the floor. And here we are at the Treviso level. And
our door is open.
And why is our door open again? That seems to be almost a daily occurrence. Clowns. Alright, now we gotta close these behind us, so if somebody above wants the elevator, they'll be able to get in. Oops, wrong way. And then to call it, you have to hit this button, and then it's just kind of crazy. Alright, are you ready for today's travels? I hope all my friends in the Northland are enjoying this little trip, tour of Venice. I don't know much about it. I don't know as much about it as my wife does. She loves this place. This is like her most favoriteest place in the whole world. So anything you guys see on this video, if you're interested in knowing more, let me know, and I will be more than happy to ask my wife. In fact, I'm sure she will be ecstatic to be asked questions. She could talk for hours about this kind of stuff. As I mentioned earlier, the architecture here is just amazing. I don't think you can find another place in the world with buildings like this. I mean, these are just timeless and amazing. Even the imperfections are perfect. And the atmosphere here is pretty cool. The people are very polite, or at least most of them. There's a lot of tourists here. It's a very touristy place. The locals are fun to talk to. We met a waiter in the restaurant the other night, and we told him that the food was great, and he gave us the thumbs up. And my wife said, "Well, I thought the thumbs up was a bad thing." He's like, "Nope, just like where you come from. Thumbs up is good, thumbs down is bad." So it was kind of nice to know that. So it just goes to show you that don't believe everything you read. Because we read up on like the do's and don'ts and stuff like that in Italy. That was one of the things that was listed as a don't. So, like I said, don't believe everything you read. All right, we're going to continue on here. I'm going to shut you off for now. St. Mark Square. More of that. It's just an impressive building. I can't get over it. All this is so cool. All right, we're gonna go and check out some shops. There we go. Hi, baby. All right, you ready?
There's a reason I came over here.
All right, now this is the average Venice. Treviso. I'll get that one of these times. My use of Italian is limited.
Hello.
America.
Where?
Minnesota.
Ciao Minnesota. Welcome in Italy. Ciao. This is for you, mother. Venice.
Ah. Grazie mille.
You know, I've said before that Venice is almost like a carnival type atmosphere with the many shops and all the things for sale, the elegant restaurants, and even the just the regular like lunch places that we just ate. Just stop and grab something to eat, and it was really cool. So. Alright, I hope you all enjoyed that video. A couple people I need to thank that I haven't thanked yet. Kelton Williams for joining the Barty Stables family. Cifrado, one I cannot even come close to pronouncing. And I'm sorry if I get this wrong. I think it was Ice Stone 69 or something to that effect. So I apologize if that's wrong. But anyway, welcome everyone. I appreciate you joining. I hope that you will find these videos interesting, informative, funny, maybe, whatever. Anyway, like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. We have some more coming up. This was quite an expensive, well, it was expensive too, but extensive trip. I'm trying to show everything I can. I'm cutting it up into shorter videos. This one I know was a little bit on the long side. I apologize. I hope that you will stick through these and check them out. It was pretty cool for us. I hope you guys like them. And then, like I said, the jury is on its way, so we'll be covering that here in the future. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe. Even if you didn't like the video, please just hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it. Tap the bell at the bottom after you hit subscribe. That way you'll be notified when I upload the next video, which will probably be next week, I hope. And make sure you share it with anybody you think might be interested. And especially since it's Christmas and it's the sharing season, share it with them even if you don't think they're going to like it. Okay. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and we will see you in the next video.